G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a monkey cake. Really easy and really cool. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Alrighty, first thing you do is bake a cake. I'm not going to show you how to bake a cake because the video will be too long. I've just made a chocolate cake. You can go to my channel and look at all the different cakes I've made if you want to make one. So here's your cake. I've just cut the top so it's nice and flat, and then once you've got your cake ready and it's cooled, we'll get on to the next part. Now get some white frosting. I don't know, maybe about 3/4 of a cup or so, and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Smooth peanut butter, preferably, and just put that in there. And then stir it together. We just want to mix it through so it's one with itself. Now get that frosting, and we want to put it in the middle, and we've got to try. Now I'm not very good at this, so maybe you guys will be better at this, but try to make a sort of a shape like a face a little bit. Something for eyes, Smarties, Jaffas, Maltesers, just something that you think would look good as an eye. Then get maybe chocolate frosting or chocolate sauce and try and do a little nose and the mouth. Now what type of nose? You can do line, couple of dots. So that's that part done. Now we want chocolate frosting and put that all around it. All around the cake, right up to where the face is. Alrighty, that part's done. Now, what I like to use is, we call them Cocoa Pops, but I think over there they might be called like chocolate Rice Krispies or something over in the US and lots of other places, but they look like this. And we want to get that and put it all around the chocolate part, because this is going to be sort of like his hair. Or his, I don't know, it could be a female. I haven't had a look. There you go, looking good. I don't know, just for fun, get a banana peel maybe and chuck it up here. Then get like a biscuit, cookie, cut it in half. You can put it like that, have it like that, it's really up to you. Just stick it on the ground like that, or you can stick it in the cake, and there you go. So easy. Oh yeah. Well, I hope you like this. Don't fall, monkey. Well, once again, I won't be eating this because this is for a party. I'm a little sick, so I might not be going to the party, but the cake still will. So I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple